10 disturbing facts about the spiritual realm. 1. It is possible for a person convicted of a crime and is awaiting trial to spiritually fix up the suit that they are wearing to court, to confuse the judge and the crown so that the case can be thrown out. 2. A lot of business owners make pacts with demons in order for their business to flourish at a great cost, such as sacrifice, but God has also blessed businesses that flourish at no cost. 3. If you read certain psalms in a haunted house, everything will start to move. 4. People often do spiritual wickedness between the hours of 12 a.m. to 4 a.m., so it's ideal to go into spiritual warfare at that time. 5. Some people take the money that you give to them to work obia on it to mash you up. Never directly give anyone any money, not even through Western Union.
Follow Jamaican True
6.
Stories.
Your enemies can send duppy to your address to spy on you. 7. When you die in sin, your duppy is vulnerable and can be caught in a bottle by anyone who hunts duppy for their personal use or to sell. 8. Cemeteries are busier than you think. There are not only duppy and demons there, but there are also necromancers, brave homeless people, grave robbers, and people go in there naked to call out their enemies' names. 9. A lot of funeral home directors and morticians are necromancers. 10. It is a popular belief that you must not kill any green lizards in a graveyard because they are duppies.
Like, follow, and share Jamaican True Stories for more.